How to install games on ROG Ally. Today I've got something really cool for you. I'm going to show you how to install games on your ROG Ally. Whether you're just getting started or you just want to learn some quick tips, this video will guide you through the process of installing your favorite games on this awesome handheld gaming device. So let's get started. First, if you're looking to install games from the Microsoft Store, you'll need to open the Microsoft Store app. It's the easiest way to get Windows games directly onto your device. On the ROG Ally's desktop, look for the Microsoft Store icon, usually located in your taskbar or start menu. Click on it to open the store. Once you're inside the Microsoft Store, use the search bar to find the game you want to install. Simply type the name of the game and it will show up in the result. Once you're in the game page, you'll see an install button. Simply click that and the game will begin downloading and installing to your device. Once the game finishes installing, you'll be able to find it in your library or your home screen depending on the platform you use to install it. And that's it. You're now ready to install and play all your favorite games on the ROG Ally.